Do you want to know how you can delete your videos from v.io? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete videos from your v.io account. Go ahead and open v.io, log into your account, and you can see recent videos over here. To delete your video, you can hover around here and click on the three dot button which is here. Click on it and you can see two options. One is move to team trash and the other one is delete permanently. If you want to use it for later but want to transfer it to trash, go ahead and click move to team trash. It will go to here which is the team trash and you can restore the video, or you can click on it and you can see delete permanently. If you click on it and click confirm, this video will be deleted permanently. Now you can do that from the home menu as well. You can go ahead and click on the video option, the video settings, and click delete permanently. Click confirm and it will be deleted permanently from here as well. So this was a video on how you can delete your videos from v.io. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.